Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to switch TikTok account from private to public. So let's suppose that you have previously private your TikTok account but now you wanted to public it again. So in this video I will tell you that how you can do this. But before starting the video I want you guys to watch this video until the very end and make sure to like and to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So to basically switch your account from private to public again, you need to open up TikTok on your Android and iOS devices, and then you need to tap on your profile at the bottom right here, and then you need to tap on three lines at the top right, then tap on settings and privacy, and then tap on privacy here. And now when your account is a private account, this option will be turned on like this one. So in order to switch your TikTok account from private to public again, you just need to turn this option off like this one. Okay, so when you disable this option, now your account is a public account again. So guys, if you find this tutorial helpful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will see you in the next video.